Welcome to the English Grammar Challenge. Get ready to test your skills. Question 1. The injured man, blank, on the grass. The correct answer is B, lay. The verb lay is the correct simple past tense form of lie, which means to recline or rest horizontally. Question 2. He drove, blank, through the thick fog. The correct answer is B, cautiously. An adverb like cautiously is required to describe how the action of the verb drove was performed. Question 3. We, blank, to the zoo next Sunday. The correct answer is B, are going. The present continuous tense, are going, is commonly used to talk about definite, pre-planned arrangements in the future. Question 4. I insist that she, blank, the truth. The correct answer is C, tell. After insist that, the subjunctive uses the base form tell, regardless of the subject. Question 5. We arrived safely, blank, the train station. The correct answer is C, at. We use at with specific points or places, such as a station, building, or meeting point. Question 6. English, blank, all over the world today. The correct answer is A, is spoken. The passive voice is spoken is needed because English receives the action of being spoken. Question 7. Choose the correct antonym for sober. The correct answer is A, drunk. Question 8. The heavy rain, blank, all morning while we were driving. The correct answer is B, was falling. The past continuous tense was falling describes an ongoing background action that was taking place over a period in the past. Question 9. He works, blank, than anyone else here. The correct answer is B, harder. The correct comparative form of the one-syllable adverb hard is created by adding to make harder. Question 10. She promised that she, blank, call soon. The correct answer is B, would. When reporting a promise made in the past, the future marker will changes into its past form would. Question 11. Blank. Stamps is his favorite hobby. The correct answer is A. Collecting. A gerund like collecting acts as a noun and functions perfectly as the singular subject of this sentence. Question 12. The window, blank, by a rock yesterday. The correct answer is C. Was broken. The passive voice requires the past participle broken with the helping verb was. Question 13. He behaves blank than his friend does. The correct answer is C. More politely. The comparative form of politely is more politely, which is used to compare two people's behavior. Question 14. She told me she blank finished already. The correct answer is C. Had. The past perfect had finished shows that the action was completed before the time being discussed. Question 15. Aims blank the highest award possible. The correct answer is B. 4. The verb aims is naturally paired with the preposition for when expressing a specific goal or aspiration you want to achieve. Question 16. The water level blank after the storm. The correct answer is C. Rose. The intransitive verb rose is the correct past tense of rise, meaning to move upward on its own. Question 17. Choose the correct synonym for anxious. The correct answer is A. Worried. Question 18. They whispered that the baby blank sleeping. The correct answer is B. Was. With the past reporting verb whispered, the present is normally backshifts to the past was in reported speech. Question 19. I managed blank the difficult puzzle alone. The correct answer is B. To solve. Manage is followed by a full infinitive, to plus base verb, so to solve is correct. Question 20. Gold blank in these hills last century. The correct answer is A. Was found. The passive form was found is used because gold received the action of being discovered. Question 21. He blank on the sofa right now. The correct answer is B, lies. The singular verb lies correctly indicates the present state of resting or reclining flat on a piece of furniture. Question 22. Choose the correctly spelled word. The correct answer is C, embarrass. Question 23. Of the two boys, Joe runs blank. The correct answer is A, faster. We use the comparative form faster because the sentence is explicitly comparing the running abilities of only two boys. Question 24. I am totally indifferent. Blank, his opinion. The correct answer is C, 2. The adjective indifferent is commonly followed by the preposition to when showing a lack of interest or concern. Question 25. He muttered that he blank come later. The correct answer is A, would. The past tense reporting verb muttered shifts the original future intent from will into the past form would. Question 26. Choose the correctly spelled word. The correct answer is A, occasion. Question 27. The classroom blank every single evening. The correct answer is C, is swept. The present passive uses is with the irregular past participle swept. Question 28. He was accused blank stealing the bicycle. The correct answer is A, of. The verb accuse is followed by the preposition of when stating the crime or action someone is accused of committing. Question 29. She enjoys blank deep mysteries at night. The correct answer is A, reading. The verb enjoy is followed by a gerund ending in ing when referring to an activity. Question 30. I wish the rain blank stop soon. The correct answer is C, would. Would after wish can express a desire for an ongoing or annoying situation to change. Great job finishing the challenge. Subscribe for more daily English tests.